Tell me, what going with you and it is then?
But say I two business me do, you know, bro. Me is a man who always busy, you know.
Go and whisper.
Yeah, I know, bro.
Circle, and so.
It's the boy them that walk with.
Yeah. The boy did ready for use it, you know.
I use couple of tight already.
Yeah. Okay, like the boy make couple up here for it too. Check the next one.
None of them are no virgin, brother. One thing we can tell you, I hell them a go.
So whisper, you know, go wipe off the boy them fingerprint off of it.
And which one of them take it from them?
You take it from them.
That means that your fingerprint upon it too.
Oh, right it. Not even that free.
Exactly. Where butcher get that one here?
I say I'm get that from Siva, you know. With about 2 rice. So.
That one I look new.
Which I say a shipment him get it from you.
That means you're not up in a dep on this yet. You know, so that boy they have a overseas link. I drop some heavy artillery on the streets.
Yeah, it looks so.
Boss, you don't turn him over to your feds already. So we can have a question him.
Oh, that gone. I just see that there say, okay, boy now want wear us. Give him piece of broadboard with 2 zinc nail in it in his face. That him forget.
Brother, I touch of that. And that's how it work.
No man. More of them boy they forget deal with wicked. You see send them man them come deal with butcher brawling.
But they step up and do the right thing. Job well done, you know. Respect.
I talk about whisper. Anything for my friend man.
Differently still, you know. Butcher for rate you, you know. I really youth.
Friend to the end like Chucky, you know. You know.
Like when you follow instructions still, you know. See that madman disguise there. It work.
Me whisper. I in a bush me there pick up all the buckle and them thing there, you know. I look up in my son so to buckle with. It have to work.
See the picture there? So nobody couldn't recognize you.
You know, I said two sisters, you know from over there see me and it's a steer for me.
So them recognize you?
Look, so, boy, them time they me get extra mad. When I say, fully mad them time there.
Smart move. That way that them take you for a real madman.
Whisper. I told big stone me jaw for. And I say, me I go bust the father head because the son too.
So hold on. When them see that, what them do?
Run your fuck.
Brother, you know say go in for the madman character.
I must, brother. Think one of them blow my cover. A full agent mode me go in a man. I miss to tell you, agent hit me a cock.
Brother, you have to hold it down, you know. But moreover still, the most important part of it still, not one shot fire. That is the aim.
Remember, man. So me tell the boy say I him me come for. Nah lie you whisper. We do bossy mad.
That emotions attack, brother. Them come to take your friend 3 points. Anybody would have pre-darkness. But we have to use a better judgment in other cases, you see me? You see, if one shot did fire, the whole plan da mash up.
Who of us fully, bro?
So you hear from Vicious?
Short him to tell him what go on and the man get vexed. I hang up the phone after me I try explain what go on, brother.
I did expect that still. But we have to give him a page. So don't worry about it.
Nah worry, you know. We just lucky. Him slow down our thing. Glad say man a part of the ops. I'm more why the boy we just move to jumpy. Overs.
That's true still. But we still have a reason with him, you see me?
Yeah man. So what you have to do, bro.
Alright. Movements again, you know. Yo, it ain't easy there, brother. Oh, your daughter.
Until they say she go up, you know. One good in a school and thing, is it?
Oh, that's good for no, brother.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
man.
hear little one.
I want to tell you, say she are going great, you know. She are teach me Spanish, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I didn't do I forgot make them link up, you know.
It's real, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I make it up. See?
Anytime you're ready.
Alright, brother. Respect, yeah?
Yeah? Yeah.
Nice try, Vicious. But we always know Wagwan.
What go on, Miss Bissett?
Call me the wonder. Oh, you just leave the dancing thing just so and I say nothing to it.
No, me I left the dancing thing, a whole heap of thing I go on. I lose my auntie. Now, my father take sick, and me have to back and forth.
Back and forth way. From country to town.
I overseas him live, and then I start a business so with him, and then the business, so it make it hard.
So you and him that close? When you have business partner now?